guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making very yummy biryani. So let's know the ingredients. For this I've taken 1 kg of meat. I've taken mutton, you can also take lamb or beef. 3 medium onions sliced, 5 medium sized potatoes, 3 medium sized tomatoes cut into cubes, 1 fried onion, 1 bunch of coriander chopped, 3 green chillies, 6 dried plums. For the spices, you'll need 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder, and 2 tablespoons of salt or to taste. For the whole spices, you'll need 2 black cardamoms, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 9 to 10 black peppercorns, 9 to 10 cloves, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 2 star anise, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 piece of mase, and pinch of nutmeg powder. You'll also need 1 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 3/4 cup of yogurt. Separately, you'll also need 4 cups of rice, basmati or sela, 8 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of salt. The whole spices you need for boiling water will be 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 1 star anise, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. You'll also need half teaspoon of kevra water and some food coloring. I've used red and orange, 1/4 teaspoon each. First of all, in a pan, put oil and fry onions. When the onions turn golden brown, add the meat. Now fry the meat until it changes its color. Then add ginger garlic paste and cook it for some more time. Now add all the biryani spices and cook it for some more time. Then add 2 cups of water, cover it, and then let it cook for half an hour or until the meat gets tender. When the water is reduced, add tomatoes, then mix it, cover it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes, then mix it again and cook it until the oil separates. At this point, add yogurt and cook it again until the oil separates. Now add potatoes, mix it, then add half cup of water, cover it and let it cook on medium heat for 15 more minutes. Give it a final mix and the biryani masala is ready. Now separately boil water in a pan and add salt and whole spices. Wash and soak the rice for half an hour, and when the water starts to boil, add rice. Let it cook until the rice is slightly uncooked. We need the rice to be 75% done. Then we need to take it off the stove and drain the water. Now to assemble the biryani, we will layer the biryani masala, then top it with half of the fried onions, coriander, green chillies and plums. Put the layer of rice on top. Then put the remaining fried onions, coriander and green chillies. And then add some kevra powder and food coloring. Now cover this and cook on high heat for 5 minutes. Then bring the heat to low and cook for half an hour. Once it's done, mix the biryani and then serve. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day, and like always, thanks for watching.